This is HOVERAir X1 Pro, and today I'll show how you can find and change the flight settings while in the manual operating mode on this drone. So to start, pick up your mobile phone and, well, of course, launch the HOVERAir X1 mobile app. Now connect your drone to the app, go into the hover section here and open Smart Preview. While in the Smart Preview, go into Settings and select the Flight Settings section at the top. Well, there are your flight preferences, so you can switch the flight duration between set 30 seconds and continuous. You can switch the distance between close, mid and far, as well as altitude between high, flat shot or low. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.